doing in here?
You think he'll come up the stairs? Oh my god!
Oh! He teleported!
That's not fair!
It's not fair! There's even more rib cages around. Been eating ribs?
Why would you say something so funny?
Don't die!
You killed me!
Die!
Write my obituary. Murdered via jokes by Sarah's Fauna.
That's not what you put in an obituary. You put beautiful voice that changed the world. Loved by all.
Oh yeah?
She will be remembered for her wonderful streams and contributions.
Well, thank you. Now,
She is survived by 20 wives.
now when I die, they'll know what to put on my obituary.
Yeah.
I'll be like, oh, sorry, Fauna already wrote it for me. Can you just...